Même il va garder tout ça. Il va compter pour les jeux.
Alors KB's not playing. Oh no.
Yeah, no, that's what I saw. That you
some are professionals, so it's like there's some things where players do. I'm not.
I know you guys
see the game differently.
Exactly. There you go. They understand.
So when you see that from a different lens and you try to help somebody and they don't see it, you done? Okay, thank you. And they don't see it, it's kind of hard.
Not only see it, but they don't even understand
Yeah,
it when you try to tell
yes, exactly.
So that makes it a challenge, you know, especially from a coaching perspective too. You know, you see a lot of things.
You know the game, you enjoy the game.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh you. Okay. Cool. Nice.
I like it.
Yeah.
There's a correct way to play the game.
Right.
You're not playing the game.
Yeah. Exactly.
Then why are we even?
Yeah. If you wanna go play pickup, then they do pickup. But you wanna play competitive.
Watch your right, watch your right. Yeah, there you go. Good stuff. Keep coming, Fred. There. Header. Hey! Put a header on that ball. No free shot! Hey! No free shot! You guys make it easy on them guys. Let's win the ball and possess. Y'all.
Try the keeper. He's not a keeper. Try him.
Tyree, come here. Come here. Do me a favor. Go around and tell Oren to be ready to be a goalkeeper. Right? Aaron? Oren. O-R-E-N. He's all the way over there. Hey, get back, let go, let go. Hey, Rubber, keep it simple, the ball is coming, you grab it, very simple. Hey, Eli. Hey guys, hey, Peter, back in the game, hand on the game. Isaac, you know the spread is all the way up there, so try to cover that space, yeah? Yeah, there you go, what a step. Don't make it easy, guys, there you go! Don't make it easy, guys! Fuck. Out of there, well done. Isaac, every time he goes, yeah, try to cover that space just a little. Yeah. Hey, Fred, you gotta be very mindful where you're going, yeah?
Let's just get some shots from behind the guys.
And find a combination. Stay! Win that boy in the middle!
So umesema hivyo sisi ndio muangalie. One, na watu wamefunga. You did a good game, bro.
I didn't even got subbed. Did he sub?
Good work.
Namwambia hii Sunday league is more popular than this.
Oh, them niggas are too lazy.
So I'm telling you.
I don't even know if I'm gonna be here
active
next
league
week.
right now.
No, I said I don't know if I'm gonna be here next week. I might go to Minneapolis Sunday.
Yeah, way to come back there, Fred. Hey, come in the space! The space! Yeah, one up, time! Hey, time on the ball!
That's great.
That's good?
Yep.
Okay.
And then we'll just...
All right. Thank you. Yeah, this is my soccer bag. I should have my cleats with me. Yeah. I call them my tools. So just, okay.
From there's fine, yeah.
Right here?
Yep, go for it. That's great. Okay. Right then.
Oh, no, I have to go that
no,
side?
No, don't worry.
No,
That's fine.
Oh, I'm supposed to go that way?
No.
Okay, that's okay?
It's absolutely fine.
Okay.
It was getting there.
So let me go around. Okay. This my place.
That's the one. Great.
Happy with that?
That's great.
Still worth getting little close-ups of like starting up.
All right, what's that? Okay, great. Cool?
Yeah.
All right, ready? All right. Let's get a direction going. Do you guys have any particular music you like to listen to? Or?
We can't, unfortunately.
Oh, okay, just keep it quiet?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, got it. I hope I'm clear. You can hear me clear. Because I know sometimes I do like I get a little bit anxious. You know, I've never been in front of cameras. So, okay, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. I've never been to London before. How is it like in terms of? Do you have a lot of trees, water?
Well, see this weather. This is London weather.
Oh, London.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Like
okay.
not properly raining, just you know,
cloudy,
like drizzle.
Yeah, drizzle.
We call it drizzle. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, this guy's coming. It's right in the middle. Like called Rainier Beach. That's the neighborhood. So, yeah, Rainier Beach. Yeah.
Where's your neighbourhood?
I live.
Oh, we're staying in.
Oh, really? That's what I'm saying. That's where I live. Which street are you on?
Broadway and
Pine or Pine? Madison. So you're way up there. Okay. Right next to Trader Joe's. Is it Trader Joe's shopping center? Yeah. Broadway and Madison. Oh no. I know what that is. I know the hotel right there, Seattle University.
yeah, opposite.
Yes. I know the hotel. Silver Cow. Yeah. Whole Foods right there.
Yeah.
Whole Foods. Cool. Yeah. So I'm down the block on Pine and Belmont.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm on Pine and Belmont. Yeah, walking distance. Yeah. Exactly. So there's a park there called Carl Anderson.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. I'm going to ask again just the introduction that you did before.
Okay.
To say your name and what your relationship is with this project.
Okay. Yes.
Go for it, yeah.
Okay. So my name is Moses Namolo, and I'm with the African Sports Federation and Academy Program. I am the Director of Coaching and also the Treasury of the organization. So mostly what I do is I train coaches and also train kids at the same time. Most of what involved me with this organization is to give back to the community. Also help the kids get an opportunity that I had. So as a way of something was given to me, I want to give it back to help other kids have the best opportunity that they can.
Cool. Can you tell us when you came to Seattle, why you came to Seattle, and then what you think of the city?
Yeah. So originally I was from Alabama. I went to school in Alabama, graduated from Alabama, and then worked corporate for about 5-7 years, and then I had an opportunity to come to Washington because of a business. I was invited for a business, like in healthcare settings, and that's what brought me to Washington. But after that, I transitioned into my field, which is in industrial distribution, so manufacturing. I did a little bit of manufacturing with a recycling company, and then after that, now I'm in healthcare again. I deal with substance use disorder, so I try to help in giving back into the community, like with helping people who struggle with substance use disorder, like alcohol, maybe drugs, or any just kind of form of drugs that's going on in the city. And here in Seattle specifically, we have a drug use struggle, especially in like fentanyl, meth. You'll find a lot of people are struggling with those kind of addiction, and even alcoholism. So that, with my background, kind of helped me to help those people that need that help. So I'm a residential specialist and being a certified peer. So that's what I'm doing, just to help them with their substance use disorder, just to get them out from addiction.
How could you describe Seattle as a city? What's the characteristics of it?
I call it the Emerald Green City. I mean, it's always green. Rains a lot, but it's a city that has everything. It has everything. You go from, you have the water. You have the mountains. You're close to everything. You have the desert on the east side. So it's a city that's, it's self-sufficient. Like you have a lot of activities. If you're an outdoors person, I think this is a great city to be.
Soccer. When did your love for soccer start, and what was it that made you love soccer?
My love for soccer started actually when I was back in Kenya. So I used to go watch with my dad and my late brother, who just passed away last year. And actually, he's the one who actually motivated me and pushed me into playing soccer at the age of 14. Actually, I started kind of late. So at the age of 14, that's when I really fell in love with soccer. And it was thanks to my late brother who passed away last year. His name was Nathan. He's the one who actually introduced me to soccer. So that's why I came to love the game.
Can you tell us, all right, this will be a slightly difficult one, but
okay,
to go, because I want us to pretend we're going to the to Genesee Park.
Okay.
So imagine it's the morning,
mm-hmm,
and the question I'm asking you is, tell us what's going to happen today. Describe all the activities. So I know, like, to start with, you were with some of the kids that you coach,
mm-hmm,
and then there were some matches.
Yes.
To explain what the matches were.
Yes, so today we're going away to Genesee Park. So the big banner for this event is mental awareness. And so when we get there, the first thing I'll be coaching is the U8s and U10s, if the kids do show up. So I'm going to be training those kids for a little bit, do some drills, and then they do a little bit of scrimmage. And then after the scrimmage, we're going to have the adults play. So that's going to be the under 25 and a little bit 3 players, maybe going to be over 30, going to be participating in the tournament. And the tournament is just to bring awareness into the community about you know, especially in the brown community and black communities, we don't talk a lot about mental illness or even like substance use, you know, or disorders or anything. Nobody is really educated about that. So when we get there, we're gonna be trying to make that our primary goal, like our main goals, to showcase like, hey, we're here to support the kids. Let's help them get out of the house, come play soccer, or play some activities at least, whereby they can have, you know, a healthy, balanced life, whereby, you know, it's not just staying in the house playing video games. You know, they come outside and they can enjoy the game of soccer, and they can help them just, you know, forget about what's happening at home or whatever's happening in their life, and just have that moment for about 30 minutes, even for 45 minutes to an hour, whereby they just can be themselves and enjoy the game of soccer.
And then the games themselves, like we obviously we've seen it.
Yes.
But like, can you just explain? It's a playoff game, or what was the tournament or the competition?
Yeah. So the tournament is actually called Seattle African Premier League. So that's the main league that we sponsor through the African Sports Federation and Academic Program. That's one of our leagues. Is a Seattle Premier Soccer League. So the games today is going to be playoffs. It's going to be the playoffs of the quarterfinals. So we're gonna have the Black Stars versus Seattle Victory, which is gonna be the first game, and then the second game actually is gonna be Mashujaa versus Seattle Lions. But I also think we did change the timing. So if I need to go back, the first game was the Mashujaa versus the Seattle Lions, and then it's gonna be Seattle Victory versus the Black Stars. That's what the game's gonna be played today. Yes.
And what is the ultimate prize?
The ultimate prize for the tournament is just they're gonna get a trophy. The winning team is gonna get a trophy, and the players gonna get medals, and just a proud moment for them to have a little bit bragging right. You know, they won the African Seattle League. You know, so that would be the best thing for them today.
I think I'm going to ask you everything else when we get there. And
yes.
I'll probably ask you some of the same questions again.
No worries, it's okay.
But that's it for now, and as far as questions.
Okay. And hopefully I'm answering the way.
Nice,
okay.
Really good.
Awesome.
Honestly, really good.
Yeah, just from my heart. So is what
I'd be asking you again if it didn't work.
Okay, no worries. Yeah. So yeah, this is Lake Washington to our left, right here. And in the middle, that's Massa Island. But I don't think we can be able to see. And we're coming up to Boeing. This is going to be one of the Boeing factories. Renton, they make the 737s, if you guys are into airplanes. I'm big into, that's one of my passions, airplanes too, apart from just soccer. You know, yeah. I love aviation. It's a beautiful thing, like the way that a ton of the thing can just take off, you know? I love it. But it's coming up. So. Okay. I mean, yeah, there's one here. Renton?
Yeah.
Yes, right here.
Behind the Boeing.
Yes, yes, it's right over here. We're coming by it, actually. Yeah, it's at the Renton Regional Airport. So that's actually the Boeing manufacturing for the 737s.
Oh, yeah.
That's where you should build the 737s, yeah. Yeah, there we go, right there. We got some opening a little bit.
Probably shouldn't focus on the Mercedes.
Oh yeah. I'm just getting cut away, so don't worry about what you say. But you're right. It's not a Kia. It's what they're sponsored by.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
That's the one.
Yeah, here you go. Where you guys took off from here?
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah, that's the airport. Yeah.
That's it. Perfect. Cool.
Yeah, happy.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, we're coming to a little bit Roundabout. Most Americans don't know how to drive in a roundabout. It's
What
new.
do they call a roundabout? Or no?
No, they call it a saco or something. It's a roundabout. I think it's a roundabout still, but it's new. It's something new.
All right, so they don't know what to do.
Yes, exactly. If you saw that
one just stopped.
Yeah, you saw that.
You had right away.
You see,
because of they don't.
Yeah, they're not used to the roundabout. Yeah, we used to more stop signs, so we're about 1 minute away.
You can put that mirror back if you want, just for your
where
safety.
Okay, it's okay. Yeah, so it's coming up. It's gonna be on the right side. We're gonna get that little strip. It's like a little town. So pretty much this is downtown Kent.
Cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's an old, kind of historic town. And that's a Kenyan restaurant actually, Rafiki's.
Any good? Have you been there?
Yeah, I've been there. Yeah. They have fish and chips. They have tilapia, samosas. Yeah, it's Kenyan food, right? Rafiki's. Yeah. And then the mesh house is right on the left side. But the parking, the guy with the way he parked. Oh, here they go. They're better. Let's see where we're gonna park. So I can make it. Let me ask Atara real quickly. Hey Atara, where do you want us to park? It's full.
Is there space in front of that red car?
No, there's no space in front. Maybe in the back?
Probably in the back. Yeah,
Okay.
that alleyway.
Where?
The alley
Yeah.
here where the one way is.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. No, that's handy. No, actually, yeah. Perfect. I thought the P sometimes is handicap, but it's not handicap, so good look. Okay. So anything that we want to do? Or?
I think our first thing we should do is have a look.
Softball. No.
Softball's here?
Like here, yeah.
No, but the first.
I was gonna say like where I grew up.
The first.
Yeah, swimming.
Yeah,
Swimming, okay.
Gymnastics.
Yeah, gymnastics.
The first women's softball team at the University of Washington.
Really?
Was in 19.
They were like, she's a girl. And so when I got into junior high, until then I was.
They're Siamese twins. Yeah, those are your two Siamese twins right there. One with dreads, one with twists.
I don't even know what mine is, honestly.
It looks like dreads.
Is it like dreads? Actually, no.
How about this one?
Oh, that's free. That's free form right there.
No, for me, my brother had the same, but his was blonde. So, since it was
Alright, got some veggie, I'm ready to go.
My brother. It's only 18.
For him?
Last year.
And he's bigger than me, taller than me.
And the left back, the left back,
yeah,
is only 18 too.
But you know our league is literally like, I mean, have you looked at the data?
It's diverse with the age group.
It's not even diverse. 95%. 95%.
Under 20. Yep.
That's
You guys all look like grown men.
I know, right? They make us look old, man.
He looked like he's 27.
Right? You got more beard than me.
What is in the McDonald's nowadays?
And he got more facial hair than me.
What's in the Starbucks?
And he's young.
People can't grow beards.
I'm one of them.
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, you know what? I had to change mine so many times.
You know how many oils you
No,
have
not
on?
swimming.
I'm not. Well, you back there.
He's trying to grow a beard.
Oh yeah, he's so hard.
Every time I go to the bar, this is a true story. Every time I go to the bar, I say, hey man, don't touch this area, man. I know it's half, but I want you to keep it.
You know, can I have beard?
I'll get some.
Andrew from Sudan, from South
He
Sudan.
has a beard?
No.
Well, he does.
No. You've been trying to grow much like forever.
There you go, Jeff.
He used to come.
There you go.
Any
You want some more?
Pretty cool gaming chair.
You see, when you get opportunity, you see. You see?
Okay.
This is good.
No more.
How do you like it? Good? Alright. We messed it up.
Nice one.
But that's good, eh? Alright, thank you, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.